We give some leg there. Yard man, enough far, enough fish with rod. Look for me too. My first fish in Australia.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
I don't know if you know, but Baby's a weirdo when it comes to eating stuff in the morning. He's just mixed cheese and jam together. Cheese and jam, guys.
I'm not a tradition person. I'm a multicultural person.
Isn't tradition and multicultural the same thing?
No.
Yeah, it is the same thing.
No.
Yeah, it is the same thing. Oh my God, it's like that thing. Listen to me. You are going to run your belly with that.
My belly can't run.
Your belly gonna run. And you're gonna run fast. Guys, look at him. If your belly gets sore after, don't complain, eh?
You're not getting sore.
But it will. You're eating jam and strawberry and cheese. How the hell does that not make your belly sore? Makes you make.
Then how do you put jam and butter? Is there a difference? Explain that.
Oh really? Just like that?
Yeah.
Babe, I'm trying to get this toast out.
What's wrong with you?
I'm trying to get it out. I'm trying to break you. Oh my God.
Hello, mister. Time to get change, huh?
Yeah, ranky boy.
I love complain. Are you complaining to your aunties and grandmas?
Hi, say hi everybody. Don't put your finger in the lens. You just talk to everyone. You talk to everyone and say hi. Talk. Hi, my name is Island Boy. Hi, Grandma.
You gotta show them your Peter. Oh my God. You're trying to advertise it to the world, sir? Seriously?
No way. Look what I got. I'm well equipped. I'm well equipped. So guys, you want to know something really funny? Babe's out here.
What am I doing?
And he's practicing how to throw the reel.
I'm not doing anything.
He's practicing, guys, because he says, oh, I haven't thrown a line in a while, so I'm going to practice in the backyard. So here he is, guys, practicing. Babe, they're meant for pie, no?
I'm not going to read it because it might come back. Something.
Guys. Okay. There you guys have it. That's Babe at his full potential.
Wagwan, beautiful people.
How's it going, everyone?
Welcome back to the island family.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're on another road trip adventure / fishing video vibe today, as it. So where are we going today?
Ballina, guys. It's a nice place to go fishing, but first Babe has to go get his license.
Yes, so
that he can fish, and then yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get my license today, and after that we go fishing.
If we are lucky and he does catch fish,
yeah,
we might
if we're lucky, because I'm just testing it. You understand? And as I said, I'm not used to fishing rod, so And it's a whole different ball game out here. You know, them fish here out here might be different from the ones in Jamaica. So let's see what they're like out here, isn't it? Yeah, so anyway, we have little Bobo around here. Say hi, Bobo.
Hi, Bobo.
Hi. Alright. So that's what's up, guys. Stay tuned. Yeah, man. Let's go now.
Let's go.
We on the roll now. Let's go now.
Did you remember up here? I did there's a waterfall down here. I haven't taken you there, obviously. But the waterfall, I did the vlog.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's down here.
Alright, so now we at the place. We are gonna get the fishing license. Is it? So yeah, after this we can go fish. Is it? So yeah, guys, that's what's happening. This is where we at. Norley. Zzz. So guys, we're in this place right now, and honestly I'm amazed of all the fishing gears, literally. Look at all the fishing rods, lines, everything, babe. Everything is here, guys. There's some baits, like some shrimp looking. These are the crab traps. You know, like the more bigger fishing rods, heavy ones. Or even the hats. Noise. Yeah, the baits. So many. Wow, look at these hooks.
Yeah.
It's crazy, man.
Amazing, huh?
Yeah. Look at these ones.
Amazing.
Yeah. There it is. Sunnies. Oh yeah. These ones I feel like they used to catch even like the tunas and all those.
For bigger fish.
Yeah.
Big fish.
Oh, these ones. So much to choose from. You have your shrimp here, you can use as well.
So what bait you want to use for today?
I wonder if I should try the squid, but they're quite expensive. Yeah, shrimp is for $9. They're all expensive.
$6.
$6. Okay.
Yeah, squid $6.
Okay, yeah.
Grab one of those.
Yeah. What are these things? Smoky whiskey?
Yeah, these ones, man.
Yeah. Nice.
Lures.
Yeah. And have some knives.
So we pay for that one.
Some knives there, guys.
Buy online.
There it is.
Bait, you can get bait.
Oh yeah. I'll just try the squid for
You want to
today.
try that? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
One thing I must say I love about Australia, I mean there's many countries like that as well, but is that I can actually get my license done online, because when we went to the place they say, oh, they don't do it in the whatever you call it, in the fisheries anymore, so everything is done online. And I was like, what? If you want a 3-day license, you can get that. If you want a 1-month license, you can get that. Everything is done online. You understand? In Jamaica, when I'm doing a license, I have to go to the office, get paperwork done, then wait on the license. They just give you a receipt. Then you have to wait on the license to come back. You know, sometimes it takes weeks, even months too. So sometimes when you even do get the license, it's already about to get expired. So it's crazy, you know. So I really like this fast going thing where it's easy to get done. I really love that. So we're at a secluded spot right now, just off the main road here. Hey baby.
Hi.
We have a little island here as well. I have the igloo with the bait here.
Mums always have to have snacks ready for the children.
Yeah. I have my rod here. So I can't believe I'm doing this right now. I think, well, let me hold this. This is actually our first time going fishing. Yeah? Our first time.
Yep.
So, yeah man. First time together.
Together.
Yeah man.
There we go. Through here.
Alright here.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is what, the ocean, river, lake?
I don't know. People swim here. Don't know what you call it.
Okay. Oh, does someone live here? Or is just camping?
Yeah, maybe someone does live here.
Really?
That's alright. Yeah, someone does live here though.
Okay.
Alright, maybe we'll go.
I don't want to invade anyone's privacy right now. Yeah.
In here?
Alright, yeah, let's try here. Seems nice here. It would be hard to cast a rod here though.
Would it?
Yeah. Oh, fish is in there, babe.
I know.
Mullet! And some other fish, I don't know what they are. I'm just excited to catch a fish. Ooh, that's a huge fish. Guys, I see a fish. Wow, I see a fish.
Oh yeah.
Look at those.
Wow, they're looking for food.
What? This is going to be one hell of a gnarly mission, guys. Stay tuned for this, man. Oh my God, far out. Oh, that's a huge one. My Jesus, baby.
So guys, me and Bobo are just gonna go for a little stroll down just to see if we can find like a clearer way. And just, it's a nice little peaceful land. No, you're gonna stay with me, mister, because I know you wants to go crawling around. Babe's excited. Babe's excited. Come on. Come on. Be careful. Say hi to everyone. Kiss everyone. Oh, whoa. Okay, we just caught Daddy doing a wee-wee. Dad's about to throw the reel in, guys. Sit down, Island. You got it caught. Here, babe, just stand still. Just stand still. It's a beautiful little place. You can catch brim here, flathead.
Chasing guys. I wonder if they need squid bait.
What are you smiling at, mister? What are you smiling at, cheeky boy? You're a cheeky boy. What happened? Daddy stuffed it up.
Yeah, I did that.
Yeah, you did. Oh my god. What did he do, guys?
I did that.
What did he do, guys?
Just
Me Jesus.
the line is brand new.
The line is brand new, guys. That's the excuse. I should have brought our camping chairs. Daddy's got his eye on the fish, guys. Daddy has his eye on the fish. His eyes on the fishy. And Island's eyes on the chips. Fish and chips. Ooh, look at them swim away as soon as I got up.
Alrighty guys. What's up? Alrighty guys. So I'm using squid now. Hopefully. Let me. They have too much line out there.
And all the squid juice is dropping on top of me and Island.
Seriously?
No.
Alright, ready? Alright guys. So I guess now I have to sit and wait. We give me some leg there. Yard man, enough far, enough fish with rod. Look for me too.
Okay,
alright,
wait.
So I get a bite, you know, guys. Guys, feel like the natty I get a bite, you know.
You want to go in the water? Hang on a sec.
Yeah, open now.
That's open?
Yeah, yeah. Alright, careful of the trees. Yeah. Alright, okay. What? Okay. Okay, mamacita. Alright, mamacita. Gonna just set it there. The thing is, we did have somewhere you could just place the rod to leave it until a fish bite. Wants to go to the water so badly. Bobo, you cannot go in the water, sir. Babe, bring him in. Bring him in, babe. Bring in the marlin, babe. Marlin is on.
No, they don't like the bait.
Yeah, for some reason it's like they don't like the squid. Guys, tell us what bait should we use? Oh my
The
god.
brim should be shrimp. Me and Papa are going to go for a little ride.
Okay.
I'll buy 2 more. I don't know, maybe go buy another camping chair so you can sit here.
Okay. That's
I'll be
good.
back.
Alright.
You enjoy your trip.
My
your,
trip.
Your fishing.
Oh. Well, boy, you gonna leave me now?
Oh, you want us to stay?
Ah, you're good. I'll wait till you come. So me there here now, guys. Babe just gone with Thailand. So yeah, so she'll be back in a bit. So yeah, I'm just gonna be here. Hopefully I catch something. So stay tuned for that, guys. Hello, mate. Hi. Good. Guys, there's so many fishes here, but for some reason they want to move me and G. They want to move Stingy and we like they don't want nothing for eat to see it. So I'm gonna try use a little trick on them. Hopefully that work. You see me? So I'm gonna throw a few pieces of the squid and along with my line, and hopefully I confuse them. I realize I'm gonna throw bait out there and them eat it. So I can confuse them. I'm gonna try that. Them fish are move like say Jamaica then come from. Guys, I throw the bait out there. I throw it along with my bait, right? And these fishes are eating the bait around my bait and not touching my bait. These fish are too smart. Literally. It's like a Jamaica they come from. So now, one of them pick up a while ago, my peeps. And honestly, him thief my bait. Him thief piece of my bait. Guys, I'm like a baby again learning to fish out here. You know, I'm just excited. I don't care. I'm telling you, there's some big size one out there just around and around the bait, and them easily spook. Like literally any little thing, if even the bait move, them spook. So it's what you call fishing and not catching, you know? Yeah, man. We are wait patiently same way, guys. But if me did have like smaller hooks, I feel like I don't catch them. Because I get a couple bites so far and yeah, lose them. I feel like oh, them too big. You see it, so yeah. But at least I try out for them and I know if I equip myself with next time. Yeah. But I still there wait and see. Big one around it, you know, man. Jesus. Brought mango with me, guys. Yeah. So that's what's happening. Fish they now bite. So that's there. Sweet. That grouper is huge. What the hell? Guys,
That's a grouper.
Babe just came back with Thailand. Oh my god, that's a huge grouper, guys. Me Jesus. What? That means there's some huge fish in here. Yeah. It's definitely the ocean, guys. Definitely the ocean.
It's a channel. It's a channel.
Yeah, it's like, yeah.
Okay, alright, okay, I got
so
you. Come sit down here.
Babe bought some stuff. And I also got me some shrimp. And I also got me some shrimp and some smaller hooks. So hopefully, guys, can catch something this time. Hopefully. I have a shrimp on the line. I have smaller hook. So let's see if I might be right about what I said. Alright, let's go.
Can't believe that grouper was big. Where'd you put the hooks, babe?
I put them on the tree. Guys,
look at this. That's a brim. They're beautiful to eat. Yeah, guys, look at that.
My first fish in Australia.
Yee-hee! Look, Island. Show Island. Island, look,
Baba.
Daddy.
Island.
Look, Dad.
Baba. Look here.
Daddy.
Got my first fish.
Fishy.
First fish, Baba.
Ooh. You want to touch it?
It's very. Oh my god, Baba. Just barely touch it.
Can you fry fish with those?
Touch it, Baba. Oh, no.
Oh, look. Look, hello, fishy.
Touch it, Baba.
Oh, daddy and son moment, guys. Oh, look, daddy caught his first fish.
This one is really small, guys, so we're gonna have to throw him back.
Really? Do you have to throw him back?
Yeah, he's very small.
How big do they have to be? 30, like?
I don't know, but
I think at the size of your palm is good.
this one seems very small. I don't want to.
Alright, yeah, true. Okay, bye-bye, little fish.
Alright, throw you go.
Woo!
Alright, guys, let's see if we can catch a bigger one. I'm excited. That's my first fish in Australia.
I told you shrimp is good.
Yeah.
My dad said shrimp or pilchards, but I got you shrimp.
And the smaller hook works.
Yep, and the smaller hook works.
Yep. Gotcha. Guys.
Look at this. That's a brim. They're beautiful to eat. Yeah, guys, look at that.
My first fish in Australia.
Yee-hee! Look, Island. Show Island. Island, look,
Baba.
Daddy.
Island.
Look, Dad.
Baba. Look here.
Daddy.
Got my first fish.
Fishy.
First fish, Baba.
Ooh. You want to touch it?
It's very. Oh my god, Baba. Just barely touch it.
Can you fry fish with those?
Touch it, Baba. Oh, no.
Oh, look. Look, hello, fishy.
Touch it,
Oh, daddy and son moment, guys. Oh, look, daddy caught his first fish.
This one is really small, guys, so we're gonna have to throw him back.
Really? Do you have to throw him back?
Yeah, he's very small.
How big do they have to be? 30, like...
I don't know, but
I think at the size of your palm is good.
this one seems very small. I don't want to.
Alright, yeah, true. Okay, bye-bye, little fish.
Alright, throw you go.
Woo!
Alright, guys, let's see if we can catch a bigger one. I'm excited. That's my first fish in
I
Australia.
told you shrimp is good.
Yeah.
My dad said shrimp or pilchards, but I got his shrimp.
And the smaller hook works.
Yep. Well, there you go. Babe caught his first fish, but it was a bit too small. Yeah. Let's try for the big grouper we just saw. Ooh, there's a few nice ones there. A few nice ones there, guys.
They easily spook though.
Mm. They're smart. Australian fish are smart.
Yeah. When I had the big hook, like that was a nice one, babe. I'm telling you. What kind of small one has my line now? Seriously?
Another one.
Oh, yep. Yeah. There
Daddy
you
caught
go.
another one.
There you go.
Too small, guys. We need to throw it out a bit further out, babe. Where the grouper is.
Yeah. Let's try that.
Sit down.
There's not one. Oh, it's there. Oh no!
It took your bait.
Seriously?
Yeah.
What kind of thieving fish this? How the rat did this? 2 times now than thief bait, you know? No, sir.
Oh, look, Island, look. Mommy bought your favorite. Look. I like these little secluded spots, eh?
Yeah.
This is a whole vibe, guys. This is what definition of family fun is. Like, just coming out and enjoying yourselves, you know, like peace and serenity. This is what it's all about. And babe, you just saw that, guys. Me not say nothing. Not gonna say nothing. But if I throw the line, I might catch that grouper, guys. I might put him to shame.
That's true.
No. I'm just gonna be the bystander until I buy my nice fishing rod.
It's babe time to fish. So let's see if she's gonna bring in the big one. Let's see. It's a small one going for it. You see that? The big ones are moving wild right now. Watch it. It's a small one that has it. A small one has it. Catch it, baby! Yes, baby!
Ooh, nah, but that's a good size.
Yeah, that one is bigger than mine.
That's
My
a
too.
good size. River puppy.
Ooh,
That's
this
a good size.
yeah, it's a nice size one.
Yeah.
Alright. Nice.
See, guys, I'm putting to show. Oh, I'm joking, baby. It's a good size one, eh?
Yeah, it's bigger.
Yeah, it's bigger.
So we're changing location now, guys. We're gonna go right over there. Hey, Bobo, you made it. Okay. Was it a rocky road?
Wow, baby, look at the fish here.
Oh my God. There's heaps, but they are hard to catch them, man. Guys, I hope you can see all these fishes. There's heaps.
He ate the bait. He ate the bait.
That must be a nice one, babe. Oh my God, I feel like I wanna cry.
Can you see that bird? I don't know what it is.
Yeah, them now, let's see so good. No, the bird I look for a serious one, we'll be able.
Here.
Did he clean the lens?
Yeah, it's clean.
Okay. Guys, look at this bird right now. I'm approaching it. Oh, it just fly. Oh, there's another one in the tree. I wonder if I can get close. Oh, they're huge. What? Can you guys see that? beautiful though. Woo! It just fly. It's beautiful, babe. I want to show you this painting here. It's beautiful, huh? Yeah. Beautiful right now. I love this. Yeah, I'm feeling cool right now. I'm feeling it. So we're actually on live now. Right now we're on live while doing this vlog.
Jamaican in Florida. Awesome. I like the way you treat your husband nicely. I'm learning from you. Thank you, Leonie. Yes.
Alright, I want to show you these fish. Whenever no one is here, I can tell that these fish come right close up, the bigger ones as well. Look at these. Alright, my peeps. So,
alright, guys.
Yeah.
It's been such a great day. We
Yeah.
had so much fun.
Yeah.
We are ready to go.
Yeah, it's getting really chilly, and the fishes are not biting as much. So
They're stealing. They're thieving the bait.
yeah. So yeah, we'll come back again.
Yeah.
We'll try somewhere else, and
Yes.
hopefully we catch something.
Yes.
So until then, I want to thank you guys for watching, and for all the new subbies, welcome, and yeah.
And all our old subbies, thank you for the support.
Yeah, man, big up CM, you see?
Blessings, guys.
Yeah, man. So catch you in the next one, guys.
Catch you in the next
Thanks
one.
for watching.
Bye.
Blessings all the
Bless
time.
us.
One love.
One love. Down here is really good fishing too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll come here.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, we're gonna explore all of these places, guys.
Yeah.
Those waves look nice for surfing waves.
Actually come out here and sit with Island. And,
Yeah. Those guys have their rods too.
yeah.
Fishing.
For real, bring our chairs and stuff.
Yeah.
And then down this way is Lennox Head.
Mm-hmm.
But I won't take you to Lennox Head now because it's a further distance. But
Okay.
I'll take you out to this lookout up here.
Yeah.
Over here. Ballina's nice to live, but it's flooded area, some houses too.
Okay.
It gets flooded here. Because Ballina is actually surrounded by, it's actually an island on its own.
Really?
Yeah. So,
Okay.
excuse me. My dad comes and swims here. He
Yeah.
usually swim, people come with paddle boards and that.
Yeah.
I want to do that. That is so much fun.
Yeah, that old guy.
I want to do that so badly. And so people park up their cars here and they swim there.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah. So this is another way where you can fish as well. You can
Nice. There's
fish.
a beach over there as well.
Yeah.
Sun. White sun. Nice.
Someone's really tired.
He's knocked out already.
Yeah, he's rubbing his eyes. You should get that on camera. Look, guys.
Tired after all the fishing today, eh? There Bobo goes.
Daddy smells raw.
Yeah, we all smell raw right now.
Excuse me. Got the lookout. This is a lovely lookout here. People just come and they chill out
Oh, wow.
and they relax.
What? This is gnarly.
And this is where you'd like to maybe fly a drone.
Sick. What? Beautiful. Look at those waves. What? Oh. Let's check out this view, guys. Wow. Guys, this is gnarly, man. What the hell? Guys, look at those waves, yo. Wow, the view up here is incredible. Amazing, man. Look down there. This is gnarly. Wow. Can you imagine surfers must come out here a lot. Probably the waves are too huge now for that, I'm guessing. Hey baby, it's cold, huh? Yeah. So you reckon the surfers come here a lot? Because it look like surfing type waves.
Surfing beach.
Yeah. Yeah. Jesus, this is exciting, guys. I love this.
So like, you know, in France, France, they have like a bridge of love, or like a place where you can pledge your love. A lot of people get engaged. A lot of people like celebrate anniversaries there and stuff. So this place, they do the same.
Yeah.
They people bring your little locket and key, and you throw your key in the ocean when you're done. Or a lot of people don't really throw the key. Some do, some don't. Just depends on the person.
Yeah.
And they have like little lockets all around the fences there.
And I'm just noticing that.
Yeah, for lovers. Really for lovers.
Yeah. So they have like stuff right on them, or?
Yeah, go have a look.
Really? Let's check that out, guys. So these are the locks my baby's telling me about. So they have, okay, love locks. Alright, so we're driving along still. Baby's showing me another side of the beach.
Shelley Beach. This is called Shelley Beach.
Okay.
And I know that there was like shark attacks here
Really?
recently. Yeah, in recent times.
Wow.
So
Shit.
when there's lifeguards and there's flags, always swim between the flags here in Australia,
Shit.
because people can see, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is a nice place. It's a nice little beach.
It's crazy, man. Yeah, I know people have been warning me about, oh, be careful of Australia, it's not like Jamaica. But guys, it's not like I'm gonna go out there diving and do crazy things on my own. Nah, I'll fish from a boat, right? I won't be going diving and all that. And of course, if there's a, what you call it, crocodile area or whatever, I'm not gonna be, you know, like just going about and just acting wild. Also not saying anything can't happen to you in a boat, but I will take my chances. I'll take my chance in a boat than to go diving that I know, you know, that, oh, I'm there in the water where anything can happen. Like, you know, I'm gonna be, you know, I have to know about my surroundings, of course, you know, and be aware of whatever is out there. So I'm not just gonna be doing crazy things. So yeah, common knowledge, you know.